Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
What happened?
You don't jump on my couch.
Get in the house if you're gonna whine.
What? What?
Did you call me bitch?
Yeah.
Why? You better stop cussing.
My name is Jeff.
Don't talk. No. She doesn't want to play right now.
Dang, your dog's bad.
Are you okay?
Cannibalism.
Hey, I didn't try!
Tudo.
Jesus Christ, Loki.
You are adopted.
Smile. Hi, buddy. Thank you.
Smile! Let me see those teeth. Let me see them.
Say cheese.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup. She doesn't want to play right now, Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
Shut, okay. Whisper.
What? What? Are you just going to bed?
Go to grandma's later?
Will you hold the light straight?
That's not a whisper. You have to whisper. I think I like this little life.
No. Sonny Bonnie! Oh my goodness, you alright?
What is this?
Are you okay?
Yeah. No.
Whoa.
Alex.
What? No?
Did you know you were adopted? You want daddy? You want dad?
Oh my god. They gave him a shot at the lot.
Honey, it's okay.
Oh.
Whisper.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
¿Qué fue? ¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién hizo esto?
Good girl. What the hell? Are you helping her out?
Pregnancy, I'm actually thrilled that you got
His legs, I'm dying.
Gentle. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No. Oh, we can't.
Tiny.
Want me to throw it?
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
You know that's not yours. No. No.
She said they might have left. ¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina.
Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo! No. No, no. No.
What happened to your hair? You look like you got shocked by lightning.
Be gentle.
It's true. I adopted you.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl. Okay.
Think I like this one.
Where's it gone?
Hey. Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly.
Come on, you're gonna walk away.
Oh my gosh. Get the fuck out my face.
Phantom, sit. Good boy.
No. No.
I love you. I love you. My sweet rock.
Do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. But I had a friend.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see. Vinny.
Who are you growling at? I said it's time to go to bed.
Clarence.
what? No.
Gotta do what I want to do. Bunu döveceğim ben. Seni döverim böyle.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Ball.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Hey, buddy. You're adopted?
Please.
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
Hey, Mr. Horse, are you coming to get some?
Yes, push-ups.
Don't.
Brother, what's that?
You're not going outside. Quit arguing with me. You've already been outside.
What is that?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You're just chilling?
New generation, you know what they were playing? 4.
No.
What are you doing? You want a hug? You want a hug? Aw, you're such a good boy.
Three a day.
Okay, one small bite. One small bite. Look it.
What is this?
Frankie, you can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Tell her.
Hi.
Your mom, okay? Don't tell her.
Ow! What are you doing?
Why do you sit like that?
Louis, what happened? Did you get into something?
Not me. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there. Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Come on.
So how was your first socialization outing? It was hard?
Yeah, it's been a fairly mild winter, but we are certainly seeing a return to those winter conditions. Take a look at the forecast.
What do you want?
What the fuck, Tully? Are you fucking kidding me?
Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak.
Hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
No. No.
Oh, hey, Grandma. Yeah, me and Nico, we're just relaxing right now.
Just buy it. Gentle.
Gentle.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Precious.
More?
Good boy, Finley.
You bitch. Bitch. Bitch.
Ginger, no. No, Ginger. You got to go home. You got to get in. Girl, stop.
Splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night.
Oh my god!
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Want broccoli? Broccoli.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper.
Why are you trying to get my baby to give you some?
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is up forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
And here, once again, we have Pepper not appreciating.
No, 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 no. Raak me.
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking.
What was that? Why did you do that? You scared me. Oh my god, I thought you died.
I'm not taking you bye-bye.
Mama. Oh, let me see your smile. Yeah. A pretty smile.
Do not come in.
Yeah. 6 or 8 or Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Wiener.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Hey! Oh, what is that? Don't!
Let me see your smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
You gotta go to your crate. Sir? Kevin.
Bullshit.
What is it?
My love for bacon will never die. I want bacon, bacon, bacon. It's